Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to save charts in Tradingview. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar, and in the search bar of your browser go ahead and type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. And once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and once you're done creating your account successfully, this is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to save charts in Tradingview. So before you do that, you have to open up a chart for any market of your choice. Now you can head over to the top and head over to the market tab for you to find any market of your choice, or you can just easily use the search bar. So I have my Tesla chart already open here. Okay, this is it. So for me, this is my chart and quite a lot of things are going on here. So let's say I'm done trading and I'm done doing everything that I want to do to make this trading experience worth it. All right, so let's say I have connected a broker from the trading panel. Of course, I have added all my drawings, I have sold, I have created a position, I have bought. I have just had a really nice time analyzing data in Tesla. Of course, you can buy, really, and sell in Tradingview because it's just for analyzing the market. So say I've done everything that I want to do, and I want to save the chart so that I can always go back to it and not always look for it in the search bar. This is exactly what I'm going to do to save this chart. So head over to the top right corner of the screen, and you have this unnamed all changes saved. So it seems like, or it doesn't matter, seem like whenever you do anything on Tradingview, the chart saves automatically, but you can choose to name it. All right, so click on this drop down icon that is here. As you can see, it's on auto save. All right, so once you launch Tradingview, it's set to auto save, so it saves automatically. But if you do not want that, you can just put that, you can just uncheck that, untoggle. All right, you can just untoggle, and after doing that, you can just go ahead and click on rename. And once you click on rename, you can click on export chart data. So rename, for you to name the chart, and then let's see, Tesla chart, and just click on save. Once you click on save, that, you see that's already saving as Tesla chart. All right, now we can go over that again and export the chart data that is saved already. So one of the easiest way to save that is to just go ahead and click on auto save, so that your charts will just save automatically. And once you're done, if you want to go live, go ahead and publish it. So that's pretty much how to use that, or that's pretty much how to save charts in Tradingview. I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.